As the years go by, we are seeing an upheaval not only in the electric cars but also in the electronic bikes, as they have the ability to swerve in and out of obstacles seamlessly. Electronic motorcycles are getting faster, lighter, safer, and more intelligent with a fraction of the environmental impact. In addition, there are plenty of electronic bikes available in the market that offer an efficient and economic way to get where you need to go for your daily commute. In today's video, we are gonna showcase 5 of the best electric bikes in 2021 that you might wanna check out before your next purchase. Powerful mountain electric bikes do not always give you the freedom of power, versatility, and comfort, but the Cyrusher XF690 does, and it fits perfectly with riders in any situation. This electronic bike comes in a high-quality 17-inch frame fitted with an oil spring suspension fork along with lockout and 26-inch wheels that give you enough dynamics for any style of ride. With its powerful 1000 watts motor, it can reach up to 40 km per hour, and the bike is capable of lifting you up to 35-degree gradability with ease. It has 3 working modes including twist throttle, power assisted, and pedal only mode, which ensures safe and comfortable riding whether you are a pro or just starting out. Plus, it has a 12.8 ampere-hour hidden replaceable battery with a foldable design that can last 30 to 50 miles on a full charge. Overall, if you are looking for a mountain electric bike with power, versatility, and comfort, the Cyrusher XF690 can be an ideal option. Next up, we have the Wallke X3 Pro, a premium foldable electric bike for adults with multi-level ride modes and high-end features. This 26-inch electric bike has an internally enclosed large battery capacity of 14 ampere-hour combined with a strong 750-watt motor, which provides a ton of power in uphills and across challenging terrain. It's a fat tire e-bike with shock-absorbing tires that are good on or off-road. Combining the adjustable air front suspension fork and rear shock absorber, you can expect an overall smooth as air riding experience. Besides, the high-performance hydraulic disc brakes with a power-off function provides you with strong stopping power even in loose terrain. There is also a large screen color display that can show you the remaining battery, speed, motor power, PAS level, and the distance travel information. So if you are looking for a premium foldable electric bike with multi-level ride modes and high-end features, the Wallke X3 Pro seems like a good deal. Commuting can be tough from city blocks to reach the office, right? Give daily back and forth trips a boost with the SWAGTRON EB5 Pro Plus that is made to save time, energy, and more. This bike is highly adjustable for your comfort, as you can easily adjust the handlebars and the seat according to your likings. So finding the absolute best riding position is not only possible, it is assured. Combining 250 watts of electric power that can produce 15-mile-hour speeds, this electric bike is the modern-day commuter's dream. You can get to work early in the morning and hit the latest city hotspot that evening. This foldable bike can cruise up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, and if that's not enough, you can also swap out the battery with a fresh one for longer adventures. Finally, if you find yourself always on the go and want to save some time and energy, then give this SWAGTRON EB5 Pro Plus a shot. Looking to add some joy to your daily commuting? Meet the VanMoof X3 that offers a smooth ride with long range, automatic electronic gear shifting, and a unique turbo boost button. It features a quiet 250 to 350 watt motor which runs rear silently even at the top speed, giving riders a comfortable and natural feeling ride. And don't worry if you are in a rush. It has a unique turbo boost feature which maxes out the motor torque to help you quickly accelerate. This electric bike has a 504 watt-hour LG cell battery that offers 37 to 93 miles of range on a single charge. Additionally, there is a matrix display on the frame of the bike to show you speed, battery level, and other information when you're riding. The bike also comes with all the necessary anti-theft features including onboard alarms and smart location tracking, which are effortless to use but useless to steal. In conclusion, if you are looking to add some joy to your daily grind, then the VanMoof X3 will not disappoint you. Last but not least, we have the Juggernaut Duo Ultra Step-Through Customizer that not only packs powerful specs but also offers plenty of personalization to build a bike that is just perfect for you. This electric bike comes with a powerful 1000 watt mid-drive motor that are much more efficient than hub drives as they can use the bike's gears as transmission. It features a dual integrated battery system. One is embedded in the frame while the other is mounted within the triangle of the frame, so you can go twice as far and never worry about your range. Moreover, you can get strong and dependable stopping power from the hydraulic disc brakes and extra traction from 4-inch fat tires. You can turn this into a motorbike with just a push of a thumb. The control pad allows you to turn the bike on, off, and customize your riding experience. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. To round things up, the Juggernaut Duo Ultra Step-Through Customizer is the best electronic bike that you can get your hands on. So that was all about the top 5 best electric bikes to buy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.